Blake's doing sewer line here.
This is the vent pipe. You gotta have a vent outside so that your different fixtures don't vacuum. Like when the water starts going down the pipe, if it doesn't have air, there's like a little pocket of water that keeps going down and it'll create a vacuum. It'll suck the water out of the P-trap and then you'll get sewer smells back up inside your sink. So you got to have a vent pipe so that it allows, once that water starts going through, it allows air to suck in from outside down behind that little pocket of water so that it doesn't suck the water out of the P-trap.
It goes to the sewer outside, like
This?
yeah, it was.
So this one actually goes and ties in. Let's see, I've got.
Oh, those are all those things you did.
Yeah, they're all. Now you're starting to understand what I was doing.
Like, oh, I hit it. I'm like, when did you did that?
Yeah. I had to get it perfect so that it would be in the wall.
Yeah, all those times you're out here thinking and.
Yeah, and you're like, what's taking so long?
Double thinking, triple thinking.
You're supposed to put it in and give it a quarter turn. I like to go a quarter turn and then bring it back just a smidge. That way, it locks it in even better.
Okay. It's going pretty fast. Because you're gonna need some time with the AC stuff. Blake's doing the ceiling. There's Blake. Say hi.
Hello.
Benson is so strong. What are you doing? Sliding up.
Spelunking in the caves. Oh yeah.
Oh, she's trying to give it to you. She's holding that piece you dropped. Do you need it?
Alright, so I've got this area all prepped the way I want it to. Now I'm going to paint on some of this aqua defense and just put it all over the floor. Alright, we got all the floor covered there with the aqua defense. Now we're just going to let it dry, maybe put on another coat, and I think we'll be good. Getting the tub put together, and we're gonna go set it over there. I am putting together, it's called the trunk of the HVAC system, and it is going to go along the top part of the wall, but it's going to run all the way from right to left, all the way over to the bathroom basically.
Okay.
And then I'll bring all my runs out to it, out to the outside walls.
Blake's been doing the AC, HVAC stuff. He already got the 4 runs done, so this 1, 2, then goes to the bathroom, 3, right there, 4. So now you're doing the return air?
Yeah.
Here.
Thank you.
So I see what you're doing there now. You're trying to have an opening for the...
Yeah, I need an opening so that I can come up to the top up here and connect the duct on.
So Blake's been doing the return air and he noticed that there's not enough space.
So what was going on is I was gonna stuff it in between there,
Yeah.
but there's not enough room.
Yeah.
It was squishing the flex lines because inside of this one there's a solid piece.
Yeah. So good thinking. Good thing we have an
Stuff
attic
it
up
all
there.
up in there.
Yeah.